Hello, this is Gary Crowley with DoItYourselfJointPainRelief.com, and this is video 2 of 3 videos for back pain in your lower left side pain relief. And in video 1 we showed you how to release this basically upper portion of your left hip so that it's not yanking on your low back when these big strong muscles get tight. In this video we're going to show you how to release the muscle basically on the opposite side of that, a muscle that wraps the inside of your pelvis called your iliacus muscle. And the way we find that is if you find those two pointy bones on your hips, usually kind of right around your belt line, you find those two pointy bones, and then you basically, for me with my right hand, you find those pointy bones, you come back a little bit toward your belly button, and then you'll be pressing in here, releasing them. But we're gonna lay down to do that. I just wanted you to see. We'll go this way. I just wanted to see what's going on. So basically, what you want to do is, again, you're gonna find that pointy bone, your anterior superior iliac spine. But basically, it's just the pointy bone on your hip, and come back toward your belly button a little bit, and then press in and down with your fingers, so you're going to run into that iliacus muscle. Okay, and then we're just going to do a press, pull, release, press, pull, release, press, pull, release. And on my website, on the techniques page, I basically show you how to do all these little techniques, but it's pretty simple. But feel free to visit the techniques page. And then I'm going to take my other hand when I'm in there, and I'm going to use this hand to basically apply the pressure, and I'm going to use this hand just to do that nice fine motion. So there's my ASIS, that pointy hip bone, and I'm going to move back toward my belly button, and now I'm going to press down into the soft part of my belly and then in toward the bone. And if you have lower back pain on your left side, this will probably be a little tight. And again, you don't want to dig too hard, but you can press so you feel, you feel that tight muscle. And it's a muscle just like any other muscle. If you press, pull, and release on it, it'll start to let go. So you just gently but firmly press, pull, release, press on the same spot, pull, release, press on the same spot, pull, release, and you will find it lets go. This muscle is usually pretty responsive, so it shouldn't actually be too bad. And then you'll see, I will tend to press, pull, release while I kind of tuck my tailbone just a little bit, just to get a little movement in that muscle. And I just go basically from this pointy part, and I work my way down that soft part of my belly, pressing with that muscle, right about till I'm right around my pubic bone. And down here on me, I get a little lower, it gets tighter down here. So I'm just going to take a sec. Up top I'm not that tight, but just take a second, press, pull, release while I tuck. And there, let's see how fast it'll let go. That's even a little stubborn for today, but there it goes. Press, pull, release, and there it goes. So even though I didn't have back pain, now I'll be a lot less likely to have back pain because I released that thing that if it gets too tight over time, I'll experience back pain. Now again, while I'm here, let's self-assess, because you want to self-assess. Is that back pain better? How does it feel? Is it 10% better? Is it 50% better? Is it all gone? You want to know that. And then while you're here, I always think it's good to do both sides. So I'm going to take my other hand, press in this way, and I'm going to go down here. Just release any tension. It might not be tight at all if your pain's only over on this side. But then you do both sides, you self-assess again. Notice how it feels. And that is video 2 of 3 for lower left side back pain relief. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you at video 3. Thank you.